South Africa once again condemned Israel on Thursday for its genocidal acts in Gaza, calling for an order from the International Court of Justice to stop the assault. On Thursday morning, the ICJ opened a 2-day hearing of a case filed by South Africa against Israel for the latter's violations of its obligations under the Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide.
The International Court of Justice on Thursday kicked off the first day of hearing of the South African accusation of Israel committing genocide against Palestinians in Gaza. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu issued a video statement on Thursday night and slammed South Africa over the accusation. He said the Israeli army is doing everything to avoid harming civilians during its operations, and the accusation was baseless. And this is his second statement in less than 24 hours. On Wednesday night before the hearing, he also published a video in English emphasizing that Israel has no intention of permanently occupying Gaza or displacing its civilian population, and Israel is acting in full compliance with international law.
Since Hamas launched a surprise attack on October the 7th, about 1,200 people in Israel, including 790 civilians, were killed in the initial assault, as hundreds of Hamas fighters and Gazans raided southern communities. Hamas took 253 people hostage, with 132 people still held in Gaza. The Hamas-run Health Ministry reported that the Palestinian death toll from the ongoing Israeli aggression has risen to 23,469, and about 1.9 million of Gaza's 2.3 million population is displaced as the Israeli bombardments have leveled entire neighborhoods.